Okay, so I'm going to continue on from what we did with the graph, the actual sine graph, and say, what does that relate to with triangles? So here's the same idea with triangles. If this is 30 degrees, I chose this one on purpose. The opposite we said was 1 high and the hypotenuse is 2. It makes it nice and easy. The third side here, I found out because I knew that 2 squared is equal to 1 squared plus whatever this is squared, so that had to be 3. And then it works out. Okay, so sine theta equals opposite of hypotenuse. Sine theta equals 1 over 2. Theta is equal to 30 degrees. Or if I did sine theta, I get 0.5. Okay, but I also need this triangle over here could work out. And so if I looked at it over here, and I put my line, and I said, okay, going up to there, and down, and across. Again, going vertically, I've got number 1. And my hypotenuse is still 2. I do note that my horizontal is now negative 1.732, so I'm still trying to stay in the top 2 quadrants here, which is a thing we talk about in the unit circle. So again, I need to know this angle in here. Well, I know it's got to be 30 degrees inside there, but I want to know from here all the way over to there. And I've got it written on here, well, it's hidden at 150 degrees, but if I know that from here all the way over there is 180 degrees, then this must be 150 degrees. And I can check my work because I know that sine of a 150 also equals a half. Okay, but again, if I did inverse sine of a half, I only get the 30 degrees. But what if I wanted this guy over here as well? So there's multiple answers. Right, and then I could go all the way around again and say 360 degrees plus 30 is 390 degrees. Sine of 390 is also a half. Or if I did it over to here again, so it keeps repeating. So this is the triangle version of the same thing. And again, we looked at that, all the trig identities are positive, here, Down the bottom quadrant here, only the C or only cos is positive, and on the side in the other quadrant, only tan is positive. Up here, only sine is positive, and you'll see that in another video.